Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to install your unit for beginners. So first you're definitely going to need a unit. This is Sabrina. She's very beautiful, 24 inches long. Look at her, guys. Gorgeous. All right, and then also you're going to need your wig cap. You definitely want to get something that matches your skin tone just so it can blend in and look more natural. My handy dandy Eco Styler gel, you know I gotta have it. My toothbrush, it's a little beat up, guys, and just a regular brush. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to take my hair out of my scrunchie, and don't mind these braids, they're a little old, probably like 1 week old. So now I'm just going to take my wig cap and get that started. And don't mind me guys, I'm just looking at my mirror that's sitting right next to me. But before I officially put my wig cap on, I like laying down my edges with my Eco Styler gel. I feel as though sometimes my edges can try to come out, and I just like slicking them back just for more security. So that's what I'm doing right here. Alright guys, so now I'm just laying down some baby hair that I already made beforehand, so I'm just laying those down. Wonder if you even notice me.